Alright, it's Saturday today and that means it's day 3 of the lockdown. Yesterday I saw a lot of people uploading the new MacBook Air unboxing and first impressions videos. So today we're going to talk about MacBook Air 2019 versus MacBook Air 2020. So the MacBook Air has been released in March, that's this month, and Apple promises that it's going to be a very big step up from the 2019 model. The cool thing about the new MacBook Air that it's cheaper and better than the 2019 model, which is awesome. The 2019 basic model started from a bit more than $1,000, while the basic model of the 2020 MacBook Air starts from $999. The biggest differences for me are the i5 processor in the 2019 and the i3 in the 2020 model, but on the 2020 model you have a lot more storage capacity from the get-go. Of course, there's also a higher end model of the 2020 MacBook Air, but that will give you a bit more amount of money you'll need to spend. So the MacBook Air, the name says it, the Air, thin, light. It's a bit heavier and a bit bigger than the 2019 model, the new 2020 model, but still light enough, small enough to call it a real MacBook Air. So you probably already know that it has a new keyboard as well. The new 2020 model has the scissor mechanism instead of the butterfly mechanism. This is a good explanation on what the differences are between those. The scissor mechanism over here on the left has a bit more a lighter touch when you press it in, while the butterfly mechanism goes from the middle down, and that gave some issues on the previous models. So it has a 1mm key travel for fast and nice and fluid typing, if you call it like that, and the arrow keys are an inverted T, which makes sure they are easier to find when typing blindfolded, for example. Displays are both fairly the same, they both have true tone displays, but the 2020 model is a bit better because of the powerful Intel Iris Plus graphics, and it also supports displays up to 6K, which was not possible on the 2019 model. So overall, do you buy the 2019 or the 2020 model? Well, I think the answer is very easy, just buy the 2020 model. It's cheaper, it's better, it's newer, it's Apple. That's a bit weird, but this is a MacBook Pro and we all know the Apple designs. These are great. Just look at this piece of tech. This is an awesome device if you ask me, and if you have the money, or if you're able to spend, or you want to spend the money on a new MacBook, a MacBook Air in this case, you should definitely do it because these are very good computers, and I'm not paid to say this because I don't even have a MacBook Air right now. Please sponsor me, please send me one. No, for real, the MacBook Air 2020 is great for typing, for doing some light work, not really editing, photoshopping, Premiere Pro for example, but for browsing, looking at your pictures for example, doing some social media and all that stuff is great. It's awesome if you're a writer, if you're a journalist for example, or just to take with you to school. It's a very good PC and you won't be disappointed. So I would say that if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to help you. This was the third day and today's video. Click the subscribe button below to stay updated, and I'll see you tomorrow.